7 tips to build muscle fast for skinny guys. Whether you find yourself underweight or simply wary of being the slender individual in the gym, the key nutritional approach for gaining healthy weight remains consistent. Consume an ample amount of food and opt for the right types of food. While weight gain may pose a challenge for some, it doesn't have to be a complex process. Disregard unreliable fitness advice and streamline your health objectives by concentrating on habits that genuinely make a difference. Here's your straightforward guide on how to rapidly gain weight. 1. Increase meal frequency for rapid weight gain. Boosting your calorie intake becomes simpler by consuming larger portions during meals and incorporating more frequent eating occasions. Whether it's exceeding 3 main meals a day or including multiple snacks, each eating opportunity becomes a chance to support your weight gain objectives. When sitting down for a meal, aim to eat until you're full or even pleasantly stuffed. If you struggle with hunger or often forget to eat, establish a schedule for yourself. Input it into your calendar or set reminders on your phone to ensure you don't miss a meal. 2. Choose for low-volume, calorie-dense foods. Choose for low-volume foods that pack a substantial calorie punch in smaller portions. This approach allows you to increase energy intake without having to consume larger quantities, while avoiding a diet solely comprised of salads. Choose nutrient-rich foods that support your increased nutritional needs. Extracting concentrated macronutrients such as oils, proteins, and sugars from whole foods offer a convenient way to boost calorie intake without taking up excessive space. Tailor your nutrition by selecting bulking macros that align with your health and dietary requirements. Healthy, high-calorie foods to include more of: fats, plant-based oils, olives, avocados, nuts, seeds, nut butters, full-fat cream, and cheese. Carbs, natural sugars, whole grain muffins, pancakes, waffles, dried fruit. Protein, whole milk dairy products, protein powders. 3. Prioritize protein in every meal for weight gain. Increasing food consumption is crucial for weight gain, but paying attention to your protein intake is equally important, since protein serves as the building block for your body, especially lean mass. Elevating its intake is essential for muscle development. Additionally, a higher protein intake may aid in minimizing fat gain during a calorie surplus, promoting a lean bulk. Ensure protein is incorporated into every meal and snack, utilizing protein-rich foods and supplements. Pro tips: incorporate protein powder into various foods, such as oatmeal, mashed potatoes, baked goods, pancakes, or milk. Substitute sour cream with Greek yogurt. Opt for whole grain or protein pasta. 4. Cook with healthy fats for additional calories. Simplify the process of adding extra calories to your meals by cooking with healthy fats. Fat, being the most calorie-dense macronutrient, provides 9 calories per gram. Many foods absorb cooking oils and certain oils like olive, avocado, and flaxseed offer health benefits. Select a plant-based cooking oil you enjoy, coat pots and pans, and season ingredients with it. A drizzle of oil after plating can enhance both flavor and calorie content. Top healthy fats for added calories: olive oil, avocado oil, flaxseed oil. 5. Enhance calories with toppings, sauces, and add-ons. Leverage toppings, sauces, and additional ingredients to achieve your calorie goals. Incorporating low-volume foods mentioned earlier allows for more opportunities to increase caloric intake. Pro tips: Add cheese, seeds, nuts and avocado to your meals. Use mayo in sandwiches and dips. Opt for cream-based sauces. Drizzle maple syrup or honey on toast or pancakes. 6. Monitor your intake to facilitate weight gain. Effective progress measurement is impossible without tracking your food intake. Utilize a food tracking app to look everything you consume, ensuring precision and accuracy. Tips for optimal calorie counting. Measure using cups and spoons for accurate portions. Weight your food for heightened accuracy. Include all ingredients, including oils, seasonings, sauces, dressings and toppings. Track every food and beverage, even small bites and sips. Specify brands when searching or utilize barcode scanning. 7. Maintain consistency for successful weight gain. Consistency is the cornerstone of progress, growth and lasting change. Achieving healthy weight gain requires steadfast dedication to your nutrition plan, with results unfolding over time. Research consistently emphasizes the pivotal role of consistency in achieving success. Choose a diet that aligns with your preference and can be sustained. Establish a solid foundation, adhere to regular training, and focus on maintaining dietary discipline. Be patient, results will follow. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful on your journey to gain weight, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. For more valuable content on fitness, nutrition, and overall well-being, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Remember, your support keeps us going, and we can't wait to share more insights with you. Until next time, stay motivated, stay healthy, and keep making those gains. See you in the next video.